What's up, guys? If you're new here, it's Tucker Scott. We're on day 3. We've got Taylor here. We're heading to the desert. We got good old Ramon over here.
What's up, dude?
Ramon's coming along because he's a beast with a camera as well. We got all the gear. As you can see, we got everything lined up. Got to take this inside because it'll fly off. We're gonna say hi to the neighbors real quick. You're on the vlog.
Hello!
Where are you going today?
Moab.
Here she comes.
My leg's running.
Have fun in Moab.
What are you guys doing?
We're going riding.
Ooh. What desert are you going to?
How are you?
Hugs all around. Did you get that?
Saratoga Springs.
Best neighbors.
So it's like
That's sick. We got more neighbors. Neighbors on
Oh,
neighbors.
this is Leo.
What's up?
Leo.
I'm Tucker. Neighbors, have fun. Dude, where'd you get that shirt, bro? What company is that?
I stole it. 5-finger discount.
Damn, Hellion
Hellion
Supply
Supply.
Co. Go check them
Steal
out.
one.
Link is in bio. But we're going, so see you guys there. Other group that we're supposed to be riding with had a bachelor party last night, so
They're being dailies this morning. So,
we'll probably I'll give them a ring here in a sec, but I guarantee you they're all sleeping. We got Nick on there.
Yo,
Rise and shine, Frankenstein, where you at?
we're all just mobbing out of here right now.
Sheesh. We're
I told you, we're on the move, boy.
checkouts at 10.
Damn, we're on the move. We're doing good for a bunch of hungover. Ain't no worry about it, son.
Dailies, if you're watching this, you gotta start hanging out this morning. We miss you guys. I don't know, they might be dead, dude. We haven't heard from
Don't worry,
them in,
even
like,
though you
forever.
guys ride quads, we'll still hang out.
Yeah, dude, nothing wrong with quads. So we had to make a quick stop at the gas station. Fill up with gas, fill up with that 91.
It's that jet fuel.
That jet fuel, baby. Homie Ramon out here today. Could be coming. You're gonna be seeing a lot more of him. Now, we're off to the desert, baby. Got the 3-wheeler, trusty steed. Got this POS KTM.
Yeah.
Straight mobbing.
Look at the kern.
Hey, send me a
Kern
piece of that
season.
kern for later. Hell yeah! We out here, baby. So here's the thing. We pull up to this car and we're like, yeah, people shoot it a lot. Ramon's like, well, let's shoot it. I got my gun on me. Let me see what the back of your shirt says.
Drink Bahamas, kiss mamas, clap Osamas.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let it rip. Oh! Yep. This is Tucker Scott. Welcome to Jackass. Yahoo!
Looking for some. I'm herping. For some preaching.
Switching over to the GoPro 360. We're gonna go give you a little tour of the little compound we're at. Oh! Here goes nothing. Oh! Oh!
First time on a 3-wheeler.
That's right. We're teaching them how to wheelie. First time on a 3-wheeler. Check this out. Give her hell. I'm on water duty today.
Getting wet. You know what they say?
You know, all the brand new bikes. And my baby. She does me right. Good day riding?
Always Modelo time.
Woo! Money. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it, subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys tomorrow.